my sister and me, and we're opening up Prismatic Evolution's poster collection.
All right.
Let's get started.
So I'm Taylor, and I'm going to be opening them today.
And you know that I'm Cole. So my dad did the first video of the channel.
Good job, baby girl.
You need help.
Yeah, you want to help your brother?
Yeah. And you open it.
All right.
Okay, so you got your poster.
Can we hang this? I'm gonna hang this up in my room.
Wow.
It has all of the cards.
A lot of cards.
Yep.
Even the Umbreon that we're chasing for. So
Okay.
that's really cool.
All right.
Nice. All right, let's get
I'm
started.
gonna come over here so that we can have a better view, but we're gonna go one at a time, okay?
Okay.
I'll go
So-
first.
Cole wants to go first.
Yeah.
All right.
So these are the premium collection cards that you could get from Walmart, Target, and Best Buy.
Oh, okay. Those are cool. All right.
Now we have
Yeah.
the prismatic packs that I'm really excited for.
All right, I'll take you to. All right, let's see what you get.
Hope we get any of the rainbow borders on that. I really like the kind of that one
Yeah.
here. Eevee. I really like that Pokemon.
I'm gonna stay on this side, and then if you just get something special, I'll come over there, okay?
It would be crazy if I got the golden Pikachu. How do people pull gold cards? Like,
Okay, will you go grab the scissors? Remember, just view them. You're sitting. Just you look at them. I'll come to eat them.
we don't have that card. Go into the set. Hello.
Very nice.
Gold. She's this Bible thing, like the Pokemon cards are so insane of the viralness.
Mm-hmm.
She's going around the internet, just blowing everything up. I like that hollow.
Very nice. All right, your last pack.
Hope we can make magic like the last video.
You got it.
Here we go.
It's a good sign. It was hard to open.
Yeah. Anyways, I got that card on the back.
You go through them so funny. Yeah.
Got a Master Ball, I think.
Mm-hmm.
Then we got a Glaceon Hollow.
Nice.
Show that to the camera. All right, Dad.
All right, so
All right.
two.
Here we go. Give me this up in my room.
All right, first.
Good luck, baby girl. She got something.
My watch that so much. Ooh!
Wow. All right. Nice pull, Tay-Tay. Nice, hollow. All right, let's see your last pack magic, Tay-Tay.
Alright.
Let's see if you can put, just even an EX would be nice, but you did pull a nice trainer card.
Well, rainbow would be nicer.
It's a cool hollow. Very nice. Well, alright, so that does it for our prismatic. Alright, that was fun. See y'all next time.
Like and subscribe.
Bye.
Yeah, make sure to like and subscribe.
Bye.